Boxing is the process of converting a value type, e.g., int, float, bool, etc., into a reference type by wrapping it inside an instance of object. This allows value types, which are typically stored on the stack, to be treated as reference types, which are stored on the heap. When a value type is boxed, the Common Language Runtime (CLR) allocates an object on the heap, copies the value into it, and returns a reference to that object. The boxed value retains its original type information but is now stored as an object on the heap. Boxing has performance costs due to heap allocation and the overhead of garbage collection. Frequent boxing can degrade performance and should be avoided in performance-critical applications.